This is an illustration of installing a Kinder chain wall for a 10-foot by 21-foot shelter. This wall will actually be installed in Texas and will elevate the shelter approximately 4 feet above grade. Since the base of this wall will be 2 foot in the ground, the overall dimensions of the precast Kinder chain wall will be 10 foot by 21 foot by 6 foot. The contractor should do the following procedure. The first step is to dig a trench 2 foot wide. This trench is to be 1 foot greater in both length and width of the shelter. So a 10 foot by 21 foot shelter should have a trench dimension of 11 foot by 22 foot. And that could be seen here. 11 foot by 22 foot. And again, it's 2 foot wide. And we're going 2 foot down into the ground. It's not necessary, but many contractors do go in the trench and compact the base. Once the base is compacted and level, the chain wall could be set. The chain wall will be provided by Forterra to the site on a truck. The contractor is to provide a crane, lift the chain wall using a 10-foot spreader bar, and set it in this trench. Once this is set in the trench, the voids in the trench there could be backfilled with the soil that was taken out to dig the trench. Okay, after the wall is set, then it is time for the shelter to go on top. And again, using the same crane, the contractor could lift the shelter and place it on top of the wall. The wall can be attached to the shelter or vice versa using shear plates, which is normally provided by the shelter manufacturer. The top of the plates could be bolted into the lifting eyes of the shelter, which is normally in the corners, and then the bottom section of the plates can be anchored into the top beam of the wall in the field. The contractor can drill in the side of the wall and add Hilti bolts or chemical anchors. And these are the 4 plates. So the wall and the shelter, they are now set. The contractor is then to install the stairs and handrails. Forterra will also provide three 12-inch by 12-inch by 5 foot long precast footers. Again, the contractor will have to dig 3 trenches 12 inches deep and set these 3 footers in each of the trenches. 1, 2, 3, and then 12 inches deep. 1, 2, 3, and then once they're all dug, and again they can compact them. I'll set the 3 footers. Once the footers are set, Forterra will provide the galvanized steel platform and stairs, and the columns can be anchored into these foundations as shown. And these stairs come as one unit, and the foundation, I'm sorry, the platform is in parts, so everything can be bolted together in the field. So this is the finished product, and it is ready for the equipment to be brought into it. And again, we can even put a person just to show you give you a scale to how tall this is. If you have any questions, you can call or email me. Again, this is Glenn Gillen. My phone number is 504-512-3770. My email address is Glenn, Glenn, at Gillen, Gillen, D S.com. Thank you.